1. The basic idea. We usually think time is something that just flows, and that causes and effects happen in time.
But what if it's the other way around? What if time is nothing more than cause and effect itself? In other words, time exists because events imply one another. When one thing, A, causes another, B, that implication, A implies B, is what we mean by before and after. So instead of saying A happens, then B happens, we could say A implies B. Time isn't a container for causes, it's the pattern of implication that connects them. 2. How time works in this view. If every event implies the next one, then time is just a long chain of implications. A implies B implies C implies D implies. Each arrow means leads to or follows from. That's what gives us direction in time. The future is simply what's implied by the present. So, before equals what implies something else. After equal what is implied. Time moves forward because implication only goes one way. A implies B, not B implies A. 3. Where randomness fits in. Now, what if an event happens that isn't implied by anything before it? That would mean we can't write A implies B, because no A actually implies that B. Such an event would be truly random, not just unknown, but uncaused within the system. If those kinds of events really exist, then time itself isn't perfectly smooth or continuous. There would be little jumps where the chain of implication breaks, places where something new appears that wasn't logically connected to what came before. Chapter 4. Enter Godel. Godel showed that any logical system that's powerful enough to do arithmetic will contain true statements that can't be proved within that system. That same idea can apply to our causal universe. If the universe can do arithmetic, meaning it's rich enough to describe numbers and relationships, then it might also contain events that are real but can't be explained or derived from anything before them. Those would be the physical version of Godel's true but unprovable statements. They're real but uncaused within time. So randomness or spontaneity could be seen as Godelian gaps in time, truths that exist but can't be reached by implication. 5. The bigger picture. From inside the universe, we'd see randomness, things that seem to just happen. But from outside the whole system, if such a view existed, every event might still make sense in a larger, consistent structure. So, from within time, some things look random or uncaused. From beyond time, everything might still be connected. 6. What this means. If time is cause and effect, then the limits of cause and effect are also the limits of time. Whenever there's a random or uncaused event, that's not just a weird glitch. It's a moment where the chain of time can't explain itself. It's like the universe running into one of Godel's unprovable truths. So time might not be a smooth, finished story. It could be an open, logical process, a series of implications that can never include everything that's true. The universe, then, is always unfolding into things it couldn't fully imply before. At least from the inside.